How to add processing fee on Square. Log into your Square account. From the left hand side we want to select settings. Now you will go into account and settings. Then you want to choose payments, and here we will select service charges. Now it's going to take us to this page. We will click on create service charge. For the name we will set it as processing fee. We have the option for amount type, such as a set amount, a set percentage, a variable amount, or a variable percentage. For this, I will leave it as a set amount or change it to set amount. The amount is going to be $2. I'm going to type the amount here. The locations, here's where you choose where the processing fee will be applied. And also the sales taxes, you can add sales taxes here, such as taxable, Apple portion taxes, taxable, assigned taxes, and non-taxable. Once you're done, you want to click on save, and that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.